Hello friends, welcome to Genome Software. In this video, I am going to explain the delete feature in Genome Software. So, I am going to talk about three deletes, that is deleting of a customer, deleting of a loan and deleting of a transaction. Now this is a soft delete. Soft delete is something when you delete, when you click the delete button and the record gets deleted from the software. It does not mean that it's deleted from our database. We have marked it as deleted, but your data is safe with us, okay? But it will get deleted from your login. Now let's see where we can delete a customer. So first, say by mistake you've created a customer which you do not want in the software and you want to delete it. So you will just search for the customer here. I'm searching with F-1. Going to search the customer, okay, and I am going to delete this customer. So here you can see delete primary. That means you are trying to delete the primary customer, okay. So here when I say, it asks you even a message, are you sure to delete member 1 permanently? All associated details will be deleted and you cannot roll this action back. Means if you delete this member, what is going to happen is all the details associated with this member, that is his loans, his deposits, his savings, all the data related with this member will get deleted. If there are any guarantors, anything, all the data will be deleted and this action cannot be rolled back by you, okay. So if you want, we can restore that data, but you cannot restore it by yourself. So if I say yes, it's going to delete this member permanently. Now where will you delete this loan? To delete a loan, first you will have to search for the loan number, okay. Say I search for loan number 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, I put here, search here loan number 1 and I'm going to search the loan first. Once I search the loan details will be displayed. When the loan details are displayed, you will see that there is a red color delete button here. So when you click on that button, it will ask you if you want to delete this loan permanently, and this action cannot be rolled back. Means this delete cannot be rolled back by you. When I click yes, this loan is going to get deleted. Now where can I delete a transaction? To delete a transaction, you just have to go to the transaction here. Okay, click on the transaction. Now whichever receipt you want to delete, you just have to click on this small checkbox. It says arrange by sequence. So you check this receipt and click on delete. And it will say, are you sure you want to delete the transactions? You can say yes. Now this delete is possible only when you when you have received certain receipts, only then the delete is possible, and it will allow you to delete only in the sequence that it is received. We do not have the provision to delete any receipt or transaction or money received in between. For example, let me just show you. I'm going to do a receive here. I'm going to do a receive here, and then say you have more than one receipts here, more than one records of transaction. Now it will allow you to delete from the last received transaction, okay. So friends, this way the delete feature works in Jainam software. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.